Italian language is mandatory if you are planning to go to Italy. Now, how true is this condition or this sentence? We will find out in this video for you, because in short, if I say it is not mandatory for you to know Italian language or have proficiency in Italian if you are planning to go to Italy. So stay tuned till the end to find out what's the truth. So yes, the short answer is you don't need Italian proficiency of language for your study purpose. If you are going for studies in Italy, you don't need it mandatorily. Now, what is the other condition? The condition is, please make sure with your university or the course you are applying for, is there any proficiency required? Because if your course is in Italian language, you got to show that you know Italian. And if not, then also please check with your university once. If they are demanding it, you got to have that in your bag. Now, another thing, there are certain benefits of it. Now, what are the benefits? We will discuss this, and we will also tell you where you can learn it for free and is that worth it or not. Well, now talking of all the benefits that you will have if you know Italian language, the very first and the foremost or the basic one is your communication with local people and with everyone near you. Now, that is quite clear with the meaning as well, that if you know Italian language, your communication will be way more easier with everyone you are dealing with, be it your friends, your neighbors, your college students, professor, or any unknown person you are dealing with. It will be way more easier. That is a very practical thing, you understand. Benefit number 2, now that is ease of finding part-time jobs. Now, what does that mean? When you go to companies to get a part-time job for your, like, to manage it with your work and as well as to learn something new, there they will prefer person with Italian language first, because I know that they will give you job if you know good English as well, but consider that if you know Italian language as well, it will be cherry on top for you. So yes, it will be very beneficial as compared to only English, and on the other hand there is English with Italian language as well. Number 3 is internship opportunities become more accessible. Now, what does this mean? Here I am talking about, even if you have an internship in English where people are speaking English with you, but if you go for practical exposure, you go to industry to learn new things, even if the part is in English, the people who are giving you internship opportunity might be from Italian background or might be the locals of Italian. So there the bond between you and the people you are dealing with in your terms of professional life will be way more easier, and the chances of getting an internship will increase with this. Well, now you might argue to me about that the course is in complete English language, like if this is of 3 years, 4 years, your course is completely in English. But that's all right, because after the completion of your course, when you look for employ opportunities in that country or plan to settle in Italy, at that time this language proficiency will like help you immensely. So for that part also, just learn the Italian language. It will be of way more benefit than you think now it is. Okay, now another question you might have is, when to learn this Italian language? I don't have time. This might be your question. At that point, the best part is the process from starting the very first step to the last step of completing this education process of being in Italy. You have 3, 4, 5 months of full process, so utilize that time. From like their course starts in September and you can start from March or April until September. You have enough time to learn this Italian language, and when you reach there, you already know a little bit of Italian, and that will be of way more use than you think of. Well, now the biggest question is answered here, that is where to learn this Italian language from. Now the very simple answer is, you have plenty of information available on internet already, be it YouTube videos, Play Store applications, or some PDFs and websites to learn from. These are available options, and another good option is our team or our company. How? Here at Eurodreams, we provide free Italian classes as well as IELTS classes to you. If you are registered to go to Italy through us or through our process, then we will give you free classes of Italian language as well. So I don't think so you need answer to this question. Again, I have explained you what are the sources available. So the short answer to wind up this video is you don't need like mandatorily the Italian language, but there are certain benefits that you will enjoy, and we have discussed that. So that's all for this video. We have discussed enough about this, and I guess your doubt for this question is quite clear. And now what you need to do, just subscribe to our channel, follow this for more such content, share it with everyone who is planning for the same. And if you need help to guide you through this process of Italian admission and all, please check our description. We will provide the contact details, and if you have any query, please comment us below and please share it with everyone. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.